In this video, we write a C program to find biggest of three numbers using simple if statement only. Here we have taken three variables a, b, c, and then we have read those values, a, b, c values. In order to find out biggest of three values, we take another variable big, and then we write if statements if a greater than or equal to b and a greater than or equal to c. That means if both of these conditions are true, then we can say that a is big. And I am writing statement big is equal to a. And then we write another statement. Again I copy these particular statements. And second condition, if b greater than or equal to c and b greater than or equal to a, then we can say that big is equal to b. And then third one, if c greater than or equal to a and c greater than or equal to b, then we can say that big is equal to c. And then we print the biggest value, printf biggest number is equal to percentage d big. This is the simple program to find out biggest of three numbers using only simple if statement. Now I run this program. It is asking for three numbers. That is, I am giving 30, 20, 10, and it is saying that biggest number is equal to 30. And again we run this program, we change the order. 30, 10, 10, 30, 20. Again the biggest number is equal to 30. Again we give another combination 10, 20, 30. Biggest number is equal to 30. This is the logic here. But the problem with simple if statement is it specifies which statements are to be executed when the condition is true, but it doesn't specify the false part. That's why we have written three if statements. Three if statements related to one connectivity statement. This is the connectivity statement, big is equal to a, big is equal to b, and big is equal to c. For these connectivity statements we have written three simple if statements. But the drawback with simple if statement is, even though we have got the program output correct, but the problem with the simple if statement is there is no false part. Now see here, now assume that we have given a value 10, b value 10 and c value 10. Now assume that we have given all the three values same. Now see what happens here. First we go for here, a is greater than or equal to b, 10 is greater than or equal to 10, it is true. It is true. And again a is greater than or equal to c, 10 is greater than or equal to c, again it is true. True and true, that means now this condition is true. That means now big is equal to a. Now this particular statement is executed. Now coming to the second one, if b greater than or equal to c, again 10 greater than or equal to 10, and b greater than or equal to a, again 10 greater than or equal to a. That means now again this if condition is also true, then again this particular statement is also executed. Similarly in the third case also, again this condition will become true and big is equal to c. This statement is also executed. That means unnecessarily, even though if the first condition is true, then it is sufficient for this program. If the first condition is true, then there is no need to execute the remaining if conditions. Why? Because all of them are related. But what is happening here, unnecessarily, even though first condition is true, then the program control is going for executing the remaining conditions also. That is the problem with the simple if statement. To avoid these particular executions and in order to save the time, we go for other conditional statements like if else, nested if else, else if ladder, etc. In the next coming videos, we discuss about the remaining conditional statements.